Hello, great Ndigbo people. I'm back again. I saw a video that got me very worried. So things have gotten so bad that we have to begin to run away from our home in Aamu, despite that the state has a governor.
This is Community Primary School in Ohala, the primary school I attended. You can see there is nobody in the school. Out of the whole of Ebo community, these are the few children that were courageous enough to come to school because of the crisis that happened. So you can see the school is empty. There is nobody studying. The children are not in school. Nobody is, the right things to be security, to give them or to assure them for them to come to school is not made available. So it's not a hearsay that people are out of school. It is a reality. People are not in school. The parents cannot risk bringing their children to school because of this Fulani Herdsmen attack. So now I'm going to talk to one of the teachers to tell us how the study has been. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. Please, can you quickly tell us about yourself, sir?
Sir, Master
Your name?
Baba Dennis.
Okay.
In Primary 5.
Okay. You are their teacher?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, as you can see that we have full purpose.
Why is it like that?
It is because of the planning Herdsmen that attack in our villages.
Okay.
And some of our purpose ran away.
Okay.
They have not returned.
Okay.
So the food we are here.
How long has this been happening that children have been out of school? Since when?
Since 3 weeks ago.
Since 3 weeks ago?
Yes.
Currently?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that's this. That is it.
Okay.
Our
Okay.
problem.
Okay, ma.
It's the same thing.
All right. Okay. So you are their teacher as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The children are not here because of the...
It's happening.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma. God bless you. Yeah, what's your name, ma?
Obodo Gladys.
Obodo Gladys. All right. God bless you.
As you can see, that is how bad it has gotten. Everybody is running away, and that is why you see the classroom deserted. That is just the classroom that he visited. There are several others. The whole area is deserted. People are running away. Even the ones who are there are thinking about their security. And this is a state we have governor. Can you imagine? Think about it. A place you grew up, a place you were born, fields you played, and somehow it's not a natural disaster that certain people from a particular part of the country are disturbing you and you have to leave. Can you imagine? Look at how scanty the place is. And it's not that this particular problem has no solution, but because we have some, I will not say coward governor. I know they know what to do, but because they are serving certain people, because they fear for their second term, will they get back in office? That's how bad it has gotten. I realized some youths in the area recently volunteered themselves to protect their area, even though they had then guns, which cannot match that of the criminals, that of the invaders, that of the killer herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen. But the worst I had was that the government was going after these people who had volunteered themselves to secure their area, that the government is going after them. The same government that would have gone against the invaders is now going after the people who volunteered themselves with tools that are not matched for that of the killers. So the state have men, security operatives, to track down people who are ready to defend themselves from dying. against killer herdsmen. Now, if this is the case, truly the case, like in the video I saw, that means Enugu government is hiding something. It is either he loves his position, his seat, and will want to maintain it, rather than provide the necessary security the state needs. From the moment I had some chiefs went to beg the Emir of Sokoto, a trip I suspect was sponsored by the Enugu government. I suspect that trip would be sponsored by Enugu government. I am suspecting. From that moment, I knew something was wrong. The guy they called governor, governor of a state, now subservient to certain, not even a governor of another state, but certain people, chief from another state. Now, he has to consult them to take certain decisions. He's afraid he might take a decision to protect his state, and these guys will not be happy. Don't be surprised. It's possible this governor is getting orders from those people too on how to run his state. He's asking for permissions from some northern leaders to run his state. I feel so let down as an Igbo man. If this is the case, I feel so bad and so let down. I feel ashamed. I feel ashamed for the type of Igbos we have nowadays. Especially the politicians. I don't need anybody's permission to put my state in order. No. I know why I am elected if I'm the governor, truly. That is why I like the days of Ojus or Kalu. If you kill any Igbo man in the north, he will warn you that your people are not safe in his own state. And that is why you hear songs like, "We don't want no peace." Because peace, when they say peace, 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 sometimes it's wayo wayo peace. You hear people tell you, "We don't want no peace. We want equal right and justice." If there's equal right and justice, peace will settle. Everybody will have equal right, justice will be given, everybody will respect themselves. Does it mean Aamu people should travel to run away? And probably this kind of people at the helms of a vehicle negotiate to hand over the place to the invaders. That is the case. That is what we are seeing. Like I said, I saw some boys in a video. These boys were saying they are ready. Their guns were not enough to combat those guys. But somebody, we later heard that they are being hunted by same state that would have provided security to chase the invaders away. On a normal day, if you see such boys, they are willing to secure their place. You empower them and end the insecurity. But what we are hearing nowadays, oh my God, I can't believe my ears. Probably because of their position, wanting to retain their position, they will not do what they are supposed to do. Oh my God. Please, if you see this video, share it widely. If you have an idea on how we can resolve this, add your comment on the comment section. I'm Atuka OJ. Bye-bye for now.